In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Google Chrome to dark mode. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain during those late night browsing sessions or simply prefer a sleek, darker aesthetic, enabling dark mode is a quick and straightforward process. So let's dive in and transform your browser experience. First off, let's open up Google Chrome. If it's not already open, locate it on your desktop or in your applications folder and give it a click. It should open up right away. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Chrome browser. You'll see three vertical dots. This is often referred to as the Chrome menu or More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This action will trigger a drop-down menu filled with various options and settings for your Chrome experience. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Settings. It should be located towards the bottom of the drop-down list. Click on Settings, and this will take you to a new tab or window displaying all sorts of preferences and configurations for the Chrome browser. This might seem like a lot of information at first glance, but don't worry, we're here for something specific. Once you're in the Settings area, take a glance at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different categories to choose from. Here, find and click on the option labeled Appearance. As the name suggests, this section allows you to change how your Chrome browser looks and feels. Inside the appearance settings, you'll encounter a variety of options, but for our purpose today, locate the section labeled Mode. This is where you'll see the option to choose between light and dark themes. Simply select Dark Mode. Chrome will immediately update to reflect this change, dimming the browser interface to give it that dark mode look, which is easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. One of the many great things about this change is that it applies right away. There's no need for additional steps or restarts. You can continue browsing, and you'll notice that the theme extends across various Chrome elements, harmonizing your browsing environment. And there you have it. Switching Google Chrome to dark mode is as easy as it gets. If you ever wish to switch back to light mode, you can follow the same steps. Select Light under the mode setting, and your browser will revert to the original bright theme. Hopefully this was helpful, and you can now enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!